Hey guys, it's Spanky here. Just a quick video with an update on some giveaway entries that I received in the past week. And so we're gonna get started and open some of these up. And if you missed it, last night's live stream, this is what I made out of sequins, buttons, and beads and micro beads. It's not done yet, it's almost done, and I have to say I'm loving it. So let me move this out of the way. So this is from Miss Anita. So let me pull this out here. Oh my god, these are so cute. My daughter sent me some of these, and I think Caboose also sent me some. I love these. I'm going to put them on all my keys. So I love these. Thank you, Anita. And she'll see. She got me this. She said, I tried to take this apart, but no luck. Maybe I can figure it out. Oh, that is so cute. Yes, I've seen some of these. I have a pineapple one, a cactus one, and a bigger flamingo one. And yeah, I couldn't get them apart either. That's some thick chipboard. Totally cute. I love it though. Thank you, girl. And then this is a few pictures for Squirrel to craft with. So I'm going to peek. I want to see what it is. Oh, that's cute. Some little squirrels. Oh, these are cute. He's going to love that. So we'll put them back in there. Those are for Squirrel. And I appreciate anybody who is adding something in the giveaway entries for Squirrel. That is so thoughtful. So I want to thank you guys for doing that. I love that. And we have a flamingo ATC, and it says, life is full of beauty, dreams of beauty. I love that. Of course, you know I love my flamingos. So there's one entry for Anita, and then we have the second entry, which is a postcard. And this says, she dreamed beautiful dreams. She was wishing all her dreams would come true. Congratulations on 500 subbies. I love that. Thank you, Anita. And this is her tag. I love it. She knows me so well. Flamingos, flamingos, flamingos. I am so obsessed with flamingos. And it's funny, it's only been like 5 years, I guess. I liked them before and stuff because I love pink, but I've been really obsessed with flamingos for like 5 years. I love this. Thank you so much, Anita. I love that you thought of me to use flamingos. So thank you. So that's Anita's entry. So we'll put these back in here. And I have a bin over here on my left. I'll show you what I'm done of everything that we've gotten so far. I keep everything in the little box bin thing, so don't lose it. And this one is from Miss Kathleen Hollaby. I love this envelope. I'm going to use this in my, I'm going to have a journal, a Happy Mail journal for me. So yeah. So she sent me a ATC here. And I love, love, love this postcard. I love it. And yes, definitely love it. It looks like yes, texture paste. Yep. Oh, I love this postcard. Thank you so much. I love it. And then a tag. I love that. And then another ATC. So, thank you. So she got 3 entries here. And there's a note. I love you too. Yes, she has been around since my first live stream. Even before that but she's been with me through the end. This is from Miss Kathy's Creative Life. It was in another package that was sent to me that she had to send to me because it was sent to the wrong person. So here's her ATC. I love it. I like that. I like that tree stamp. That is pretty. And then a tag with a squirrel. How cute. And acorns. Love it. And then this is the postcard. I like this background. This is really pretty. You're doing really good with these, and then the postcard. I'm gonna have to get a bigger pegboard or corkboard. So that is Kathy's entry. And I'm gonna put all these entries are gonna go on a corkboard, and I'm gonna have it in my craft room or even out here on the wall because I love it. This is from Rose Caudell. My entries for your 500 Subby giveaway. Oh, look at that. ATC with a bead dangle on it. That's such a cute idea. I love that. And this tag. Whoops. Oh, that bird dye is cute. I like the dimensions on that. Love the leaves. That is so cool. So thank you, Rose. And I love, love, love this too. Look at all them bright colors. That's her postcard. So she's got 3 entries also. This is so shimmery. I don't know if you guys can see the metallics on that. Gorgeous. So I love that. Thank you, Rose. And thank you, everybody who has partaken in this entry for the giveaway. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to go about it, and I think that this is a perfect way. And I have a little piece of everybody. So I want to thank you guys for that. And so far, here is what we have. All the entries so far. So thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video. So happy crafting. Bye.